Planning to trip to the Australia in 2025? Hold on, there are big changes in the visa rules you need to know. Whether you are dreaming of the Sydney Opera House, clouding Corollas or road tripping across the outback, this video is for you, the ultimate guide to the latest Australian tourist visa rules 2025. Stay tuned till the end. I will share bonus tips on how to increase your visa approval chances and avoid the common mistakes. So in the chapter 1, I will start with why visit Australia in 2025. Australia isn't just a country, it's a whole adventure. From world-class beaches to ancient Aboriginal sites, it's a perfect mix of the modern cities and the natural wonders. Want to snorkel to Great Barrier Reef, hike through the Urdu in the Red Centre, or maybe chill in the cafe of Melbourne or Brisbane. Currently, it's a great time to visit because of improved tourism services, more flights, and relaxed post-pandemic entry protocols. In Chapter 2, I will discuss the types of tourist visas available in 2025. The main tourist visa types include the visitor visa, Subclass 600 for general tourism or visiting a friend or family. Another is the ETA, Electronic Travel Authority, for the certain passport holders like US, UK or Singapore. One more category is for the eVisitors, Subclass 651, free visa for the EU passport holders. Each visa has different processing times, fees and stay durations, so always choose the right one based on your nationality and purpose. In Chapter 3, new rules and requirements. So here are the key updates. The one is the biometric data moderatory, fingerprints and photo required for the most applicants. Stronger financial proof, you must show you can fund your entire trip, bank statement or pay slips, health insurance if you are not highly recommended for visa approvals. Clear travel history, a clear travel record increase your sure success rates. Online applications only, not paper form, all done via immi.homeaffairs.gov.au. Application with incomplete information or fake documents are instantly rejected under the new AI-powered screening. In step 4, step-by-step application process. Here's how you can apply. Visit the official immigration website, create an ImmiAccount, IMMI account. Fill out the online visa form, upload all the supporting documents, passport, financial documents and travel plans. Pay the visa fees, approximate Australian dollar 150 to 370 depending on the subclass. Attend biometric appointment if required. Wait for the outcomes. Usually it will take 2 to 4 weeks. Here the one pro tip, apply at least 6 weeks before you plan to travel. And in the Chapter 5, bonus tips to boost your chances. Want to increase your approval chances? Book your return flights and accommodation before applying. Avoid long trip more than 3 months unless you have a strong reason. Clearly explain the purpose of visit in your cover letter. Maintain a good travel history and avoid overstaying in other countries. In the last, there is an important warning. Don't trust agents promising the guaranteed visas. Avoid fake document or inflated bank statements. Remember, tourist visa is not for the work. Working illegally can get you banned from Australia for 3 years or more. So Australia is waiting for you with kangaroos, beaches and endless adventures. But before you pack up your bag, make sure you are visa ready. Comments below if you have any question. I reply personally. Like this video if you are help you. Subscribe to stay updated on the visa news, travel hacks and job opportunities worldwide.